So in this level, we are changing from the whole notes to the half notes. The whole notes, we did something like this. Sorry, we did something like this. So every time we did this broken chord, it had one note on the right hand. But on this level, we're increasing the pace to a half note where every broken chord here has two notes. So that's the two note for that. That's the two note for that. That's the two note for that broken note. So that's it. So at the end of the day, after mastering the whole note and the half note, you should be able to do something like this. So what did I just do? I played at random, but then I used a mixture of both half note and whole note. So the first note could be, the second one will be. Do you see that? The first chord had one note, the second one had two, then the third one can have, fourth one will have two. Do you understand? So that's that. That's that about that exercise. Please practice this. It's a different thing playing block chord from playing broken notes. And the aim is so that in the future you'll be able to play a longer broken note, something like this. Add that to your right hand, right? That's the aim. So if you don't know how to do this, then we can't even get to that point. So please practice, and we'll meet there.